So at this point of time, viewers, what we are learning is that as the funeral preparations for the funeral continues, Supriya Sule has reached Katewadi in Baramati already. These are the details that we are in fact bringing to you from Baramati as we speak. Live details coming in at this point of time, and Abhijit Garande also continues to be with us. He is in fact coming in and joining us live from Vidya Pratishthan grounds. That is where the final rites, the state honours, shall be extended to Ajit Pawar today. Abhijit, one question to you. We're given to understand that Supriya Sule has already reached Katewadi in Baramati, where the final rites shall be taking place. What are you picking up on your end at this point?
Right now, Supriya Sule is the senior most member after Ajit Pawar in a political scenario because after Ajit Pawar, she was the one who was handling the NCP's day-to-day purpose in Maharashtra and Delhi also. So she was very close to Ajit Pawar actually because Ajit Pawar was senior to her. He took care of her. He took care of her constituency also. He had a very crucial role before splitting NCP to send her to Lok Sabha thrice. So it is very crucial and it is very emotional moment for Supriya Sule also. So she will be first went to Katewadi where the remains, mortal remains will be bring to his native village Katewadi. Then they will leave for Vidya Pratishthan at 10 a.m. The mortal remains will be kept here on this stage where people can take Antim Darshan. Union Minister Amit Shah and others also visiting the this place and also attending the funeral and last rites. People across the state, even the state leaders, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and other leaders and even leaders from across the country, because Sharad Pawar is a national figure and he has a very cordial relation with every party leader. So many leaders are coming to pay the respect at Baramati's Vidya Pratishthan. The irony is Ajit Pawar was a people's man. Ajit Pawar was a people's leader. He was very committed towards Baramati. He was very committed towards his people. He every Friday and Saturday he used to come to Baramati. And yesterday also he was coming to Baramati for a campaign reason. Jilla Parishad and Panchayat Samiti's election are going to happen in next week. And irony is he breathes last at Baramati's in Baramati. So and the people who are witnessing the venue, they were also telling that the body was very difficult to identify. But they identified body because of his watch, and we all know that NCP's symbol is a watch. So his commitment towards the people, towards his party, towards his cadre, towards his leader was unmatchable. And that was the scenario where he was very different from others. He used to work at least 14-16 hours a day since morning 6 a.m. And it was his USP that he used to be on ground at 6 a.m. in the morning. He will visit various sites where development works went on or going on. This is his style of working. So and he was very mischievous also whenever he is with media people or in a public meeting. So his comments also different from others. He never criticized senior leader below the belt. It was his style of politics. He was a very decorated leader. He was a very interesting figure, and his politics since last 25 years came out of the shadow of Sharad Pawar. That is the important thing. Where he stands alone. So he completely overshadowed political scenario since last 3 years when he was he splits from his uncle Sharad Pawar. But he made sure that his relations with the family members and Uncle Sharad Pawar will be cordial, and he used to visit him. He used to take his advice when it comes to politics and when it comes to social scenario or Baramati's development. So it is the end of Ajit Pawar's era, we can say, because he is no more right now, and the people of Baramati are in grief. They are mourning. They are in shock. It is very difficult for them to believe in this news that Ajit Pawar will be not with them anymore. Shreya.
Very true, Abhijit. And all of it that you've said and spoken about, the leader that he was indeed a people's leader, and very connected to the masses, very connected to the grassroots. And that is who we are bidding farewell today after this tragedy that's come about yesterday. Ritwik, coming back to you,